Hello guys, in today's video, we are learning how to build a dirt house in Minecraft. If you don't know how to build, now let's go! First, grab some dirt. About like 10 dirt. Now, after that, follow me and start building a house just like me. And after that, go to a tree and grab some wood. Now go to your house and craft a crafting table. Now after that, craft a door. Now place the door. Now this is all of it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't leave a like and sub, and goodbye.